Costing and pricing. When you are running any business venture, it is very important for any business person to understand how much it costs to source or produce their products. The cost of the product, GOAT, will assist you calculate a good selling price for it. Many people do not know the cost of their products, and sometimes the selling price of their products is too low, so that they do not make money from their businesses. This is bad news. If it costs you Rs 5,000 to raise your livestock, it is no good selling that animal for Rs 4,000. You should try to sell it for more than their cost of raising it. To make money in a business, you must make sure that the selling price of your product is more than the cost of producing it. Let's calculate the cost of operating value of goat farming, selling value, and the profit we get from goat farm business. Let's make a scenario in order to understand the calculations. Assumptions: 50 breeding females, 2 bucks, kidding thrice in 2 years, kidding 150%, kidding 150% as goat give birth single, twins as well, kid mortality 10%, adult mortality 5%, goats to be sold at an age of 6 months. Herd composition. Number of females, 50. Number of bucks, 2. Adult death rate, 5%. Biological parameters. Kids born in 2 years, 225, 117 males and 108 females. Kid mortality, 23, 12 males and 11 females. Kids raised, 203, 106 males and 97 females, kidding. 50 multiplied by 150% equals 75. 75 multiplied by 3 equals 225. Mortality, 10%. 225 multiplied by 10% equals 23. Kids raised, 225 to 23 equals 203. Operating cost. Feeding cost, 400 rupees/month/animal. 400 multiplied by 24 equals 9,600. Veterinary, 25 rupees/monthly/animal. 25 multiplied by 24 equals 600. Labor, 6,000 rupees, monthly. 6,000 multiplied by 24 equals 144,000. Other cost, 2,000 rupees, monthly. 2,000 multiplied by 24 equals 48,000. Total operating cost in 2 years, 9,600 multiplied by 52 equals 499,200. 600 multiplied by 52 equals 31,200. 499,200 plus 31,200 plus 144,000 plus 48,000 equals 722,400. Operating cost of kids. Every kid will grow in the farm for 6 months. Weaning period of 3 months. 3 months on supplementary feeding. 300 rupees, month. 300 multiplied by 3 equals 900. Veterinary, 20 rupees, month. 20 multiplied by 3 equals 60. Total operating cost for kids. 900 multiplied by 203 equals 182,700. 60 multiplied by 203 equals 12,180. 182,700 plus 12,180 equals 194,880. Income. Male and female kid sale at the age of 6 months. Weight of male kid 20 kg and female kid 15 kg. Selling price of male at 450 rupees kilogram. 20 multiplied by 450 equals 9,000. 106 multiplied by 9,000 equals 954,400. Selling price of female at 350 rupees kilogram. 15 multiplied by 350 equals 5,250. 97 multiplied by 5,250 equals 509,250. Total income from kids sale. 954,400 plus 509,250 equals 1,463,250. Other income. Milk sales in 2 years is 56,250 rupees. Manure sales in 2 years is 36,000 rupees. Total income in 2 years is 92,250 rupees. Milk sale income calculation. 250 milliliters milk from single goat, day. 250 milliliters multiplied by 50 goats equals 12,500 milliliters. 12,500 1,000ths equals 12.5 liter. For 1 month 12.5 liter multiplied by 30 days equals 375 liter. 50 rupees, liter. 375 multiplied by 50 equals 18,750. Thrice in 2 years. 18,750 multiplied by 3 equals 56,250. Total income in 2 years. Male kid sale. Female kid sale. Milk sale. Manure sale. Total income. 1,555,500. This statement lists the inflows 1,555,500 revenue generated by the business, and the outflows 917,280 expenses incurred by the business. The difference between the inflows and outflows give the net cash flow. This net cash flow can be positive or negative. If it is positive, that means the project is making money, but if it is negative, it means the business is not generating enough income. It should be noted that this net cash flow could initially be negative but increase gradually to become a positive cash flow. Profitability is the key to a successful commercial goat enterprise. For more information, please call us at our given contact number. For more updates, follow us at our Facebook page, www.facebook.com/alamgoatfarm, or YouTube channel, Alam Goat Farm.